Good morning guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how to make a simple painting in the Sketchup and when we import it in the Dialux Evo such that there is no missing textures in it, right? So what we'll do first is we'll open our Sketchup, and when you open it you can see a display like this. So as we are aware that Dialux by default units are in meters. So even in the SketchUp we are going to set the units as meters. So here you can see inches, meters, millimeters. So I'm going to select in meters. Okay. Now your SketchUp is open. You can delete this one. This see the basic options whatever are present. The first one is the cursor, second one is eraser if you want to erase anything, the pencil, some arts to draw, some basic shapes, push pull, offset, move option, and scaling. We'll see it when we are doing. This is a zoom all option, and if you want to rotate it you can use this orbit tool and rotate. Okay, we'll zoom out, select the cursor, and now we need to make a painting, right? Painting frame. So we'll start with making a rectangle. Okay, anything of your choice. So my units are set. It can be like 0.4 into 0.4, 0.5 into 0.5. So I will start with making something with the 0.6 comma 0.6 meters painting. Okay, zoom all, and you can see this is a rectangular surface. Now this is on the plane, okay, so it doesn't have any thickness. To give this a depth or a thickness, what you need to do is select this push pull tool, select on the surface and drag it up from your mouse. Okay, here you can see the distance 0.06. If you want you can make it 0.01 or lesser. Okay, zoom all, rotate it, and this is the base for your painting frame. The next thing you want to do is just go and select any of the painting of your choice. Okay, so I have selected this one. You can right click, save image, and save it on the desktop. Okay, so I have my image on. So now go to the paints, and here you have in the materials. Okay, go to the select, and in the drop down list you can find so many options of the materials. So let's say I want some kind of pattern, and these are the various patterns. So you can use any of this like this one. Okay, so if you don't want to use any of the inbuilt texture, go to edit, select on this browse for material image file, select the painting you require, open. Okay, and you can see it is not properly placed here. So to make it properly fit the painting frame, you can change here manually, make it 0.6, and this is it is properly placed. Zoom all. Okay, then rotate it such that you can see the only base of the photo frame, right? Select the offset tool, select on any one edge of the inner base thing, extend it and make it 0.02 meters. You can see the another rectangle forming. So zoom all, come to the top view, give the thickness to the offsetted rectangle, make it say 0.03, and your painting frame is done. You can select all, make a group. Okay, and now it is on x-axis. We need to keep the painting on the y-axis. Set the view such that you can only see this y-axis, that is this blue line. Okay, to rotate it, select this rotate tool, select the first point, select the second point and rotate it. Zoom all, rotate, orbit, and you can see your painting here. You can easily export it, file, export 3D model. Here you have so many options in which you can export the 3ds export the SketchUp file. Since in Dialux I can import only the .3ds file, so I'm going to export it in .3ds and export it. Go to the Dialux file, import furniture file, and here I have the painting. This is down. You can lift it up, place it at the height of 1.5 meters, and you can see there is no missing texture here. We will even run the calculation in the Dialux Evo. I have placed one adjustable light here so that it focuses on the painting, and if the texture misses even on the calculation, let's check that out. So go to the calculation objects, run entire project, and yes, there is no missing textures even after the calculation is completed. You can adjust the settings manually. If you want to even render it, export, save new view, and ray trace it. So this is a rendered image from the Dialux. There is no missing textures, and my artwork is placed properly. Next few series I will be discussing all are the different models you can make in the SketchUp very easily without any missing textures. So today we have seen how to make a simple single painting. Tomorrow we'll just see how to make a group of paintings. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe my video, hit the like button, and stay tuned to explore more in Dialux with me. Thank you.